Introduction to Notion templates for weekly task planning.
Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace. With pre-made templates, you can simplify your weekly task planning, stay organized, and achieve more. Notion templates provide ready-to-use layouts for task lists, planners, and tracking tools, perfect for turning your weekly goals into actionable steps. Let's discover how to harness these tools for maximum productivity.
Finding the right Notion template.
To get started, browse Notion's template gallery by clicking Templates in the sidebar. Search using keywords like Weekly Planner or Task Tracker. Browse the available options, read the descriptions, and preview layouts. Choose a template that matches your planning style, whether you prefer simple lists, Kanban boards, or detailed planners with calendars and checkboxes.
Duplicating and customizing your template.
Once you find a template you like, click Duplicate to add it to your workspace. Now you can customize it, change headings, adjust dates, and add sections or columns as needed. Personalize with colors, emojis, or icons to make the space inviting and easy to use. The flexibility of Notion templates lets you tailor your planner to your unique workflow.
Organizing and tracking weekly tasks.
Use your template to break down your week. Add tasks for each day or category. Assign due dates, set priorities, and check off completed items. Many templates let you use views like lists, boards, or calendars. This helps you visualize your workload and focus on what matters most for the week ahead.
Reviewing progress and staying consistent.
At the end of each week, review your completed tasks and reflect on your progress. Adjust your template as needed. Add reminders, rearrange tasks, or update your workflow. Consistent use of Notion templates can boost productivity, help track achievements, and make weekly planning an effortless habit.